Today I'm going to talk about voice typing on macOS. Absolute game changer. So you need to be on macOS Sonoma, open up voice control from system settings, so type voice control there, and turn that toggle on. Once that's there, you'll see this item in your menu bar where you can click start typing when you're in a place where you normally type text. In the example I'm using today, I'm responding to a help desk ticket. And I need to let this user know what happened in our interaction yesterday, which was we exchanged a loaner laptop from a Chromebook to a MacBook. So I'm going to use the Dictation software to do that. Now I have links in the description below to Apple's documentation page here if you're more of a visual learner, so check those out. But all I'm doing is I'm just speaking the sentence, making sure I speak periods and use words like new line. And then I type the numbers because the software's not that great yet. And we're moving along. So as I continue voice typing this, I'm going to talk about what I think about this software at the same time. So you can see the demo and hear my thoughts on it. All right. Every once in a while, Apple releases a new software feature without telling anybody. Perhaps because it's an important component of future products that needs to integrate with an existing product, like a virtual reality headset. In this case, we're talking about voice typing software, or as Apple likes to call it, dictate messages and documents on Mac, or voice control. And if you search the word voice control in system settings, like we did at the beginning of the video, you can turn this on. And if you search that word in Google or dictate message in Google, you can pull up the documentation page, which I already said are linked below. Okay. Why is this such a game changer? Well, it may not be for everybody. If you're a perfect speller and fast typer, you may be able to type faster than you can dictate messages. Now, I'm a person with dyslexia, and this software is pretty game-changing to me. You know, just like when software like this came out on smartphones. That's because my spelling skill set's stuck at about a 6th grade level. So I have to spend a lot of time Googling words, using a screen reader to read what I type in the proofreading process. So by dictating a message, that eliminates a lot of those misspellings from the start. If you're a non-native speaker, this could also be very helpful for you. Or if you just have a lot of email volume you need to get through, dictation could work faster as well. So it takes a little bit to get used to, but overall I think it's very good. Other things I use, I have a condenser microphone mounted on my desk, part of my battle station. So that just helps with the audio quality, and I think it does improve the dictation experience. This software is not perfect though. Therefore, it is very important that you still proofread everything it writes before you send it. Additionally, if your literacy skill set's a little low or your dyslexia is worse than mine, use a screen reader to have a computer proofread for you so that you know that the text represents an accurate picture of what it is you're trying to say. So in this case, I'm just using Grammarly for spell check as I read word by word, line by line what we've written before I send this message off. When you're done writing and you're just navigating about your computer, make sure you go up to that menu and click Stop Dictation, like I just demoed. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.